Thank the Honourable Prime Minister for his address. Just briefly going through the new cases that we have identified in the last 24 hours. Our case number 8 is a 39-year-old female of Natokoanga in Lautoka. She is linked to our case number 5 as a close contact. She developed symptoms on the 31st of March. Had presented to Lautoka Hospital and has since been under isolation at Lautoka Hospital in a stable condition and under the care of our health team at the hospital. The case number 9 is the 54-year-old Fijian of Sosua, place in Lambasa. He was, in our last press conference, a person of interest. We have now confirmed through testing that he is our 9th case with a travel history to India and linked to case 6 and case 7. He developed symptoms on the 28th of March and on the 31st presented, was seen by the Northern Team outreach response team and was eventually admitted and is currently at the isolation facility at Lambasa Hospital. The teams, as stated by the Honourable Minister, our contact tracing team, following up on all his contacts during his travel during his stay in Suva, as well as his travels and his brief stay at Lambasa. Our case number 10 is, as stated by the Honourable Prime Minister, is a 20-year-old female of Nandovi in Nandi. She has a travel history to Auckland in New Zealand, returned to Fiji on the 22nd of March. Following instructions by our border control team, she was on home quarantine upon arrival and remained diligent with the requirements of the home quarantine until she developed symptoms and was tested and confirmed as a COVID case on the 2nd of April 2020. So she represents the new cluster of patients. So that is the 4th cluster of patients that we are now following with our contact tracing team. The 11th case is the daughter of case 6 and 7. She, since the isolation of case 6 and 7 at our Navu isolation facility, she had been with them, eventually developed symptoms while in isolation and was confirmed on the 3rd of April and hence remain isolated with her parents at the Navu Hospital Isolation Facility. As also stated by the Honourable Prime Minister, we have 2 other cases of interest that we are currently following who are linked to our case number 9. They are a 25-year-old female and her son, and we hope to get confirmation of their results in the next 24 hours. The health teams, together with the support of the military and the police, continue to follow up with the contact tracing and the quarantine enforcement, as again stated previously. The Lautoka team, particularly the Western team, have been working very hard. And we thank the people of Lautoka, the greater Lautoka area, for coming in support, and we appeal to our friends and families in Lautoka, the villages, the communities, the residents of Lautoka. Please support the health team as they come to you, to your homes. Let them talk to you, interview you, assess you. Support and help our teams. You can see what the weather is like, so the challenges that our contact tracing team are going through, and we look forward to your support as we try and complete our assessment and clearance of Lautoka prior to Tuesday. We also our health teams are also working very hard in following up on the quarantine enforcement for those who we have put under quarantine. To conclude, just reiterating the message from the Honourable Prime Minister, please stay at home and save lives. Minimize the opportunity for the virus to go from one person to another, one home to another, one community to another. The virus doesn't fly. You'll only get it if I come close to you and I give it to you. So we need to stay separated, and we must stay at home. The second important message is please tell the truth. If you are interviewed by a health worker or a government official or anyone who's coming to ask questions of you in relation to the COVID-19, please tell the truth. Don't hide details. A detail you withhold could be the difference between the success and failure of our efforts to contain the disease and stopping further spread. And lastly, please don't dismiss washing of hands or coughing and sneezing into a tissue or elbow as a trivial thing or something that others should do but not you. It is not trivial. It is very important in this fight. In fact, they are the only weapon and tools of this fight. Make them your second nature. Make it a habit and teach others, encourage others to do the same as well. Thank you very much.